guys, and welcome back. I'm Chris Mazzarella, and you're watching No Reserve Classics. And if you guys haven't done it already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, because you never know, your dream investment could be in the next video. And here we have a 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 521 R-Code Fastback Restomod that is a true West Coast built pony. This is a barn find that had a very well done off, frame off restoration. This Mustang features a stroked out Ford FE motor with a Ford 521 stroker kit mated to a 4-speed top-loader transmission. It has been painted in a candy apple red paint and does have power steering and power brakes. The interior will take you back in time with factory reupholstered Mach 1 bucket seatings, a fully working cluster and tack with a working clock, and it even has an upgraded sound system with Bluetooth. Now it doesn't stop there. The underbody of this Mustang will make your jaw drop with all of the new components, from bushings, springs, shocks, all the way down to the new gas tank and even a Ford 9-inch rear end with Posi. So stay tuned, because we're about to wake up all 521 cubic inches. And for your added convenience, we broke this video up into a few different sections. So if you wanted to, you could fast forward to your favorite part. Now, I know you can't be with me here today on this beautiful turntable, but if you visit us at No Reserve Classics, you'll be able to take this ride along with our other rides for a virtual 360-degree tour. That's right, with the simple swipe of a finger, you'll be able to view the beautiful exterior. And after you're done with that, click on the top left-hand corner to get a virtual interior 360-degree tour. And remember, guys, we here at No Reserve Classics strongly believe that you should invest in our product so much that we've already invested our money into all of our vehicles. That being said, we do not do consignment and we own all of our vehicles. So if you have any questions on how to get this beautiful ride into your garage, feel free to give me a call, Chris, at 1-800-562-7815, and I'll be sure to guide you through the full process. So here we have today a true West Coast built, barn find, 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 521 R-Code Fastback Restomod. Although not recently, this Boss did have a full frame-off, high-end restoration completed. The exterior has been painted in a factory candy apple red color. The body lines are straight and undergone a full paint correction and detail, giving it that high gloss finish you see here today. Above the front chin strap spoiler, the front end of this Mustang hosts the outer lighting as well as the center grille lights. Above that is a functional upgraded Boss hood scoop. The factory shaker hood and rear louver are also available with the purchase as well. As we draw our attention to the side, the fender emblems have been changed to a Boss 521 decal lettering, letting everybody know what is underneath that hood. The wheels and tires have been replaced to give you a better driving experience and let you grasp the road better. The wheels are 17-inch Magnum style wheels with a 245/45/17 Firehawk Indy 500 tires. Behind the front wheels are the newly installed power disc brakes. And last but not least, the rear of this Mustang has two new chrome exhaust tips and, of course, the Mach 1 satin black rear spoiler. Under the hood is a fully restored engine bay that features many factory decals placed all around. This Ford 460 FE big block has an upgraded Ford 521 stroker kit installed. And although we don't have a dyno, the 521 strokers are known to put out a potential 550 horsepower and 575 foot-pounds of torque. And for the purist out there, if you're looking for a more original styling, this pony does come with the Cobra Jet shaker hood and shaker hood scoop assembly, which could easily be installed. Rockers, camshaft lifters, etc. have all been installed to further beat up this pony. A Holley Pro Series carb sits atop an Edelbrock intake manifold, and atop that, the aluminum Cobra Jet heads. Newly installed is a power brake booster, power steering, aluminum Edelbrock water pump, and Hedman headers. But don't let all of those upgrades fool you. The engine bay looks just as it would back in 1969 with that factory air intake, radiator, clutch fan, support rod, shock tower, strut bar, and even the Autolite voltage regulator. Definitely an engine bay that loves to be showcased at any event. As we easily open up the driver's door, you're taken back in time. The carpet has been replaced and the seats have been factory reupholstered. As we sit in the inside, the Mach 1 high bucket black vinyl seats, you'll notice the factory working rim blow steering wheel. Just beyond that is all the working gauges and an added SunPro steering tack. Even the passenger dash mounted clock works. The center dash has a small upgrade with a brand new Kenwood radio with added Bluetooth convenience and even a hidden subwoofer. The factory center console has great storage and the headliner is in great shape. If that isn't enough, when the key is turned on, that tone of that 521 arises. You're able to grasp that wood grain 4-speed shift knob and drive not only down memory lane, but start a new path of memories to last a lifetime. The underbody of this Boss is super solid and stout. It has been coated from front to back in the correct red oxide primer. Starting in the front coil springs along with new spindles have been replaced for a more comfortable ride, along with a lowered, more aggressive stance. With an underbody as clean as this is, it's easy to see all of the new installed components, such as the brand new bushings for the motor mounts, to the transmission mounts, to even all of the drain plugs. The new stainless steel MagnaFlow exhaust system has an X pipe and is mated up to Hedman Hustler headers with a 4.5-inch outlet, giving this 521 a defined exhaust note. The drive shaft is also new and has all of the correct factory markings. As we move further back, the factory leaf springs have been pulled, reformed, and reinstalled onto that Ford 9-inch rear end with Posi, but not before lowering this Mustang 1 inch in the rear. Making this Mustang, one wouldn't think twice about putting on a 4-post lift and showcasing. Now, although our photos and videos may appear that these vehicles are in absolutely perfect condition, unfortunately some of these vehicles were born about 54 years ago and the restorations weren't done yesterday. So for that pleasure, some things that you might not pick up on the photos and videos, we've done our own pre-inspection that you can visit at our No Reserve Classics website. Now, if that doesn't work out for you and you want to get a third-party inspector, we welcome all inspectors to come take a look at all of our inventory we have in stock. And guys, I'm Chris Mazzarella, and you've been watching No Reserve Classics. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call, Chris, at 1-800-562-7815. And if you guys haven't done it already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because you never know, your dream ride could be in the next video.